How to fix Minecraft failed to log in, invalid session, try restarting your launcher. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the most basic troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue that you encounter in Minecraft. Now the very first step that you want to have to do is to check the server status if it is online or not. To do so, just open up your preferred web browser, but in this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Type in Minecraft servers, then choose on the very first one. Right here, you're just gonna have to look for the specific rank or name that the server where you're trying to go to see if it is online or not. If it is online, then you're still receiving the error message. Here's what you can do next. Pull up your Windows search by pulling up your CMD. Then you're gonna have to reset all the IP configuration that you have for your current PC to reset the whole network. So simply type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. And then once you hit on enter, try to restart your PC and try to re-enter on the same session again. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Minecraft fail to log in invalid session. Try restarting your launcher.